message for 22380.
Hey babe, what you doing? I miss you. Give me a call. I need to talk to you, alright? Bye.
Please leave your message for 22380.
I know you see me calling your fucking phone. I know you better not be with that bitch. Do not fucking play with me. Give me a call. Like, I haven't seen you in days. I miss you. I want to talk to you. Just please call me. I had a rough day at work. Just call me, babe. Bye.
Always tripping this shit, man. Bitch, don't you understand? I'm trying to do what the fuck I'm trying to do. What you worry about you? Look, fuck you tripping, baby. I'm at the stool trying to finish up the vaccination. You act like I ain't coming home, girl. You need some patience. You had a rough day and you looking for some conversation. Drinking wine to pass time, that's our human nature. A couple glasses got you good, you rejuvenated. Bad bombs like the candles, FaceTime a nigga. Where's the pussy, only kissing when it's bald. Trying to get my verse right, missing all your calls. You probably thinking about another nigga. This I ain't there, and you need me in this fucking with you. I can't see you leaving Valley, ain't no competition. Girl, I love you, but I lose track of time when I'm on a mission. Rubbing on your pussy, but I know you want your nigga wood. And I wish I was there just to fuck you like I should. And give you some dome tonight. Make breakfast in the morning and it's on tonight. Lay you down on the sheets on the bed. Your skin soft as butter, baby. Open up the spread. Kissing on your kitty, I can feel the blood rushing. My favorite moisturizer, know my chin gon' love it. Yeah.
But you always do this. Like, stop playing with me. Why do I gotta keep calling your phone so many times? Like, just call me back. Please, just call me back. I need to talk to you. God, like, I just need some dick. I miss you. Like, stop playing with me. You always putting these bitches before me. I know you with that bitch. Stop playing. I'm ready to pull up.
Fuck you tripping, baby. I'm at the stool trying to finish up the vaccination. You act like I ain't coming home, girl. You need some patience. You had a rough day and you looking for some conversation. Drinking wine to pass time, that's our human nature. A couple glasses got you good, you rejuvenated. Bad bombs like the candles, FaceTime a nigga. Where's the pussy, only kissing when it's bald. Trying to get my verse right, missing all your calls. Pulling on my dress, girl, I feel you coming. Squirt in my mouth, I squirt back right on your stomach. Then put the dick down your throat, high tears of joy. 50 shades of gray, a slave for this I'm enjoy. I'm undefeated in the box, you should come and floor it. I put that ass in the air and get this nigga loving. You can push me out the bed, just don't push my buttons. Temptation ain't proud of bed like I'm David Ruffin. End up with your favorite rapper, quarantine to chill. 1738 and my system still. Fuck the shit out your baby like I'm on a perk. Hey, your mind gone way out of this universe. Fuck you tripping, baby. I'm at the stool trying to finish up the vaccination. You act like I ain't coming home, girl. You need some patience. You had a rough day and you looking for some conversation. Drinking wine to pass time, that's our human nature. A couple glasses got you good, you rejuvenated. Bad bombs like the candles, FaceTime a nigga. Where's the pussy, only kissing when it's bald. Trying to get my verse right, missing all your calls.
Bitch, I'm coming to your mother house. I'm pulling the fuck up.